All right, guys, brace yourself because I've got some very big news for you. And I've never heard of this before. Ego tools never go on sale. But right now, believe it or not, they are having this promotion where if you buy a kit, certain kits, I'll talk to you about those later, you are actually eligible to get yourself a free battery. Now, here's the deal. This sale runs from February 29th all the way to April 30th. So that's 2 months, but I bet this thing's going to sell out. People are going to run to Lowe's, get themselves one of these kits, pick themselves up a free battery, and have an awesome time using that stuff. So get yourself off the couch, get yourself to the store, and get yourself one of these deals.
Let's go.
Is there any Ego equipment in this place?
Yes!
All right, guys, so here's the first item we're looking at. This is a kit. This is the Ego cordless power load string trimmer with line IQ. Sells for $329, and you get a free battery with that. That's how you do it, guys. So the next item, I can't believe they're including in this promotion. This is the Ego 765 CFM leaf blower. This thing's a monster, the most powerful handheld leaf blower you can buy. This sells for $329, and believe it or not, this will include the free Ego battery. That's another one for the cart. So there are 3 Ego mowers that are eligible for this promotion. That's the Ego Select Cut, the Ego Select Cut XP, and the brand new 2024 Ego Select Cut aluminum deck. Let me show you what they look like. First of all, you have the Select Cut right here. It sells for $749, and yeah, you get a free battery. Next up, we got the Select Cut XP, $849, a battery for you as well. And lastly is the Ego Select Cut aluminum deck, which is brand new for 2024. I actually have that at home, but if you find it in the store, that can get a battery as well. No lie, guys, these Ego products are gonna sell like crazy, so I definitely get yourself to the store and get yourself one of these deals. If you see me in the store, trust me, I'm gonna fight you for one of these. Now, there's links to all the products in this video right down below. There's also links to reviews of these tools down below as well. Now, you don't have to thank me for all this work. Just throw me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below about what deal you got. When you're done with that, go and check out more Kite Army right there.